looking at delays at the moment from basically the Humber Bridge, so not a very fun drive if you're trying to get into the city. Also, eastbound QEW starting to fill up through Mississauga, that being at the moment at Cawthra is where it gets a little bit busy. Adventure Calls Love Scarborough by gathering your pack for SHN Zoo Day, presented by Scotiabank at the Toronto Zoo on June 9th. Register at shnzooday.ca. Your next traffic report in less than 10 minutes. Now let's get to your forecast. Here is Carl Lamb.
Okay, so we have windy conditions today. Those gusts anywhere between 40 to 60 kilometers per hour as we go through the rest of the day. They've been sustained around 50 to 55 kilometers per hour so far this morning, each hour with each update we've gotten. So that's going to be certainly something you notice today. Clouds are going to be kind of thinning out a little bit as we go into the afternoon, not through the rest of the morning, though. We are just left with that cloud cover. 11 is the guaranteed high today. 5 is the low for tonight. Then for tomorrow, it is going to be cloudy with rain showers